Welcome to our channel Computer Science Tech. So in this video I am going to explain another example, calculation of Tfidf for the given corpus. In this corpus we have three documents. Document 1 has Akash and Ajay are the best friends. Document 2, Akash likes to play football. Document 3, but Ajay prefers to play online games. For these three documents we have to calculate the Tfidf. So let's start step by step process solving of Tfidf for the given corpus. Step 1. In step 1, all you know, we have to list down the common words which are occurring in three documents. Let's see in first document. Akash, document 1 has sentence Akash and Ajay are the best friends. So in this Akash we have a word and Ajay are best friends. These are the words we have in friends. These are the words we have in document 1. Let's go for document 2. So in document 2 we have a word Akash. Already it's available in document 2, so no need to consider here. Likes is a new word in document 2. Likes, let's have a space between the words. Likes. 2 is a new word in document 2. There is no 2 word in document 1. Next to play, also a new word, play. And football, we have another new word in document 2, football. Here document 2 completed. Coming to the document 3. In document 3 has words but Ajay prefers to play online games. First word but also new word in document 1 and 2 and 3. Ajay already comes in document 1, no need to consider here. Prefers, it is a new word, it is not available in above 2 documents. 2 already available in document 2. Play also a new word available in document 2. Sorry, it is a old word, it is available in document 2. Next, online is a word, it is not available in above 2 document. So here we have to consider this word as a common word, online. Next, another word, games, last word we have in document 3. This is also a new word in from above all 3 documents. So we have to consider here games. These are all the common words which are available in above 3 documents. Okay, let's check the number ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14 words, 14 common words we have in all documents. So here first step completed. Coming to the step 2. In this step we have to create the document vector table for all the given documents, and here we have to calculate term frequency for all the words in respect to all documents. First we are going to create the vector table for the documents. Before going to create a document vector table, we have to know how many columns we required and how many records we required to create a document vector table. So I already told you guys, we have 3 documents here, so 3 rows are required to create document vector table, and we have 13 common words. So we required 13 columns to create the document vector table. Here I am going to create a document vector table with the 13 columns and 4 records. Here I am taking extra record to specify the document numbers, and I am going to create another extra 1 record to specify the words. Okay, here this is the, I am going to mention the words and specify the document names here. This is the document 1. This is a row belongs to document 1. and this row belongs to document 2, this row belongs to document 3. Here this column belongs to first word Akash, first common word Akash, this belongs to, and this belongs to Ajay. Next are best friends, next likes, next word likes, next 2, next play, next word football, next word but, next word prefers, next word online. So I have missed one row here, one column here, sorry. Games with the new word. These are the words we have. Okay, this is the document vector table for the given corpus we have created. Now I am going to calculate the term frequency for these words. Okay, so let's take in document 1 the Akash word. The term frequency for the Akash word in document 1 is 1, because we have only one time this word available in document 1. So document term frequency for the Akash word in document 1 is 1. And coming to the next word end, and also we have one time in document 1, and next Ajay we have one time, next star only one time we have, next best friend, best we have one time, friends we have 1. Okay, next likes to play, these words are not available in document 1. For this document frequency for these words likes word, to word, pay word would be a 0. I am placing 0 here. Coming to the, so document 1 completed. Coming to the document 2, let's take Akash word in document 2. So we have only one time the Akash word in document 2. That document the term frequency for the Akash word would be a 1 in document 1, and there is no end word in document 2. Document frequency of end word, term frequency of end word in document 2 would be a 0. Next Ajay, there is no Ajay word in document 2. Next R, there is no R word. Next best, there is no best word, there is no friends word, and there is a like word in these. We don't have these words in document 2. So coming to the 2 word, so we have a 1 word in a document 2, one time we have. Next coming to the play word we have only one time in document 2. Next football word we have only one time in document 2. So the term frequency of the football word would be a 1. So here but prefers online games, these words are not available in document 2. So term frequency of this word would be a 0. So I am filling 0 here. This is the term frequency for all words in a document 2. We have completed document 2. Coming to the document 3. Let's take document 3 once. But Ajay prefers to online games. We don't have a Akash word in document 3. So term frequency of Akash word would be 0. Next, and there is no word. The term frequency of end word would be 0. Ajay, we have only one word here, Ajay, one time. So term frequency of Ajay would be 1. R, we don't have that word in document 3. So it would be a 0. Next, we don't have a best, 0. Friends, 0. Likes, 0. 2, we have one time this word in document 3. So term frequency of this word would be 1. Next, play, we have one word one time in document frequency. The term frequency of this word would be 1. And football, there is no word football in document 3. Term frequency of football would be 0. Next, but, so we have but word in document 3 only one time. The term frequency of but word in document 3 is 1. Prefers, already we have one word one time, this word in one time. thumb frequency of that word would be 1. Online we have that word one time, games word one time. So this is the thumb frequency for all the documents and for all the words. This is the step 2. We have completed step 2. Coming to the step 3. Now in step 3 we are going to calculate the document frequency and inverse document frequency of each word. First here we have to find out the document frequency. For the reverse of document frequency would be a inverse document frequency of each word. For this I am going to create the one table with the 15 columns. Actually we have 14 common words. To specify the document name IDF, to specify IDF, not document name, IDF, I am taking an extra column, and I am going to create 2 records. To specify the words, so I am taking a one row, and to specify the numbers I am taking another row here. Clear? So here I am writing, I am copying these words, common words we have. This is common words we have. Here I am going to calculate the DF, document frequency. Document frequency. Okay. I already told you document frequency is the number, the word which comes in how many documents we have to calculate. So let's see. Let's take document frequency of Akash word would be which number. Okay. Here the Akash word is available in 2 documents. So document frequency of Akash word would be a 2/3. 2/3. Here the out of 3 documents we have Akash word in 2 documents. So this would be a document frequency of Akash word. And coming to the end, we have end word in single document. So it would be a 1/3 out of 3 documents. So we have this end word in single document. And next Ajay word. Ajay word available in 2 documents. So document frequency of Ajay word would be 2/3. Next R available in only 1 document would be a 1/3. Next best available in single 1 document, in document 1 would be a 1/3. And friends also available in single document 1/3. Likes already likes available here. So I have done mistake here. So guys, let's check. Here 1/3 document would be, likes would be a 1/3. Document frequency of likes word would be a 1/3. 2, here the 2 word comes in 2 documents. So document frequency of 2 word would be a 2/3. And next play word comes in 2 documents. Document frequency of play word would be 2/3. Football comes in only 1 document, that would be 1/3, but also comes in 1 document, that would be a 1/3. Document frequency of but word would be a 1/3. Prefers also comes in 1 document. The document frequency of but prefers word would be a 1/3. Online, that's also 1/3, and games also 1/3. Document frequency of game word also 1/3. This is the document frequency of all words. Now I am going to create the inverse document frequency of all words. I am copying this table here. I am removing these values. I am going to calculate the IDF here. So reverse of this number would be this document frequency would be a inverse document frequency. Okay, coming to the first word Akash, 2/3. Reverse for the 2/3 is 3/2. 1/3, that means 3/1 means 3. Ajay 2/3, 3/2. Or 1/3 would be a 3. best 3, friends 3, like could be a here 1 by 3. So for that reverse 1 by 3 is a 3, and 2 by 3 it would be a 3 by 2. Play 2 by 3 it would be a 3 by 2. Football 1 by 3 it would be a 3. Reverse for the 1 by 3 is 3. But 1 by 3, the reverse for the 1 by 3 is 3. Reverse 1 by 3 it would be a 3. Online 1 by 3 it would be a 3. Games would be a also 3. This is the IDF of all words, all common words in the given corpus. Here we have completed step 3. Coming to the last step. Here we have to apply the formula of Tf IDF of W equal to Tf of W into log of IDF of W. In first step, in step 2, we have Tf of all words in first table, guys, and here in this table we have IDF for the all words. Just we are applying the formula for this table, clear, by copying this table, and we can apply the formula of this one, Tf IDF of W. So we can get the result of Tf IDF of word or given corpus. So I am going to copy this table here, copy, and copying pasting here. So now I am going to calculate the Tf IDF of each word. Here this is the term frequency of Akash word in document 1. The formula is Tf of W. Here W I already told you guys, here W means word, clear. Here IDF of W means IDF of each word. Here I am going to calculate the Tf IDF of W for the Akash word. So the Tf IDF of W is Tf of W, that means term frequency of W into log of inverse document frequency of word, clear. The term frequency of this Akash word is 1, and I am multiplying this with the log of IDF of W. Log of IDF of W, IDF of Akash word is 3 by 2. Here I am putting 3 by 2. This is a term frequency inverse document frequency of Akash word. This is a Tf IDF of Akash word. Okay, clear. Now I am going to next word, and the term frequency of end word is 1. I am multiplying this with the log of IDF of W. IDF of W means into log 3. The IDF of W, IDF of end word is 3. So here I am placing 3 here. This is the Tf IDF of end word, clear. And coming to here Ajay. Here Ajay na we have term frequencies Ajay word is 1, and I am multiplying this with log of IDF of Ajay word. It is a 3 by 2, right? So 3 by 2 here I am placing, clear. R, term frequency is 1, and 1 into log of IDF of R word is 3. So here I am placing 3 here. Next, best word. So I am going to calculate the Tf IDF for the best word. Here the term frequency of best word is 1 into I am multiplying this value with the log of IDF of best. IDF of best is 3. So I am applying 3 here. Coming to the next word, friends. Here the IDF of friends is 3. So 1 into log of IDF of friends is 3 now. So I am placing 3 here. Next, here 0 into likes, guys, like word. I am calculating the idea of Tf IDF for the like word. So here the term frequency of this word is 0. 0 into log of IDF of W. Log of IDF of likes word is 3. 0 into log of 3. 0 into anything would be a 0. So I am placing 0 here. I am not multiplying this 0 with the log of IDF of like word. So here I am not calculating IDF of TF IDF of for these words, because 0, it would be a 0. Okay. Next guys, coming to the document 2. Here in document 2, Akash term frequency of Akash load is 1. I am multiplying this with 1 in log of IDF of Akash load. Akash load would be a 3 by 2 now. I am placing 3 by 2 here. Next, I am not calculating IDF TF IDF for these words, because 0 into anything would be a 0 now. I am not going to calculate TF IDF of these words. Okay. Coming to the like word, 1 is the term frequency of this word in document 3. Now I am going to calculate the TF IDF for this like word in document 2. Here this is the term frequency. This is the term frequency like word, 1 into log of IDF of W. IDF of likes word. IDF of likes word would be a likes 3. So I am placing log of 3 here. Next 2. The term frequency of 2 word is 1, and I am calculating. I am multiplying this with 1 into log of IDF of W. IDF of 2 word. IDF of 2 word would be a 3 by 2. So IDF of 2 would be a 3 by 2. So here I am placing 3 by 2 here. Next word play. The term frequency of play word is 1. Now I am going to multiply with 1 into log of IDF of W. Log of IDF of play. IDF of play is 3 by 2. Log of 3 by 2. This value is the TF IDF of play word. Next, coming to the football word. This is the term frequency of the football word. 1 into, I am going to calculate TF IDF of football word. 1 into log of formalized term frequency of football word into log of IDF of football word. IDF of football will be 3. So log of 3 I am placing here. And next, so other words having the term frequency is 0. So I am not going to calculate term frequency for these words. Coming to the document 3. So I am not going to calculate term frequency. I am not going to calculate the TF IDF for these words, because term frequency of these words is 0. 0 into anything could be a 0 now. Now I am going to calculate the Ajay term frequency, inverse document frequency for this Ajay word. This is the 1 is the term frequency of the Ajay word in document 3. And I am going to calculate TF IDF of W for the Ajay word. The term frequency of Ajay word into log of IDF of Ajay word. IDF of Ajay word is Ajay 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 I am placing here. 3 by 2. And I am not going to calculate these TF IDF words, because it would be a 0. And next I am going to calculate the TF IDF for the 2 word. So 1 is the term frequency for the 2 word, and log of, and 3 by 2 is the IDF for the 2 word. So here the 3 by 2 I am placing here. 3 by 2. Next, so play word. This is the term frequency for the play word. 1 is the term frequency for the play word. I am multiplying this value with log of IDF of W. Log of IDF of play word. Log of IDF of play word would be a IDF of play word. IDF of play word is 3 by 2. I am placing 3 by 2 here. This value is the TF IDF of play word. Next, football word. It is a 0. So now I am not going to calculate this TF IDF for this word. So next, but 1 is the term frequency for the but word. So 1 into log of IDF of but would be a 3 now. I am placing 3 here. So this would be TF IDF of but word. Coming to the prefers word, so we have one is the term frequency for the prefers word. I am multiplying this with log of prefers word IDF is 3. So 3 I am placing here. This is the TF IDF of prefers word. Next word, online. Online word, we have only one time. One is the term frequency of the online word. I am multiplying this with log of IDF of online word is 3. I am placing 3 here. This value would be the 1 into log of 3 would be the TF IDF of online word. Okay. Next, last games word we have. One is the term frequency for the games word. I am multiplying this with log of IDF of games. IDF of game word is 3. So 3 is the IDF of games word. Here 1 into log of 3 is the TF IDF of games word. So this is the final step. So already told you guys, for the exam in exam point of view, the Cbse providing logarithm values for you to calculate to these log values. So please ask your invigilators to provide these logarithm values. Okay, if you don't get the if you didn't get the logarithm values, you can leave this table like this. The Cbse will provide the marks for you. Okay, and all the best for your exam, and please prepare TF IDF problems. Maybe you have the question from this topic. It's a very important. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe like this video. Thank you.